Jai Gurudev students, in first part we had completed introduction of the set and exercise 1.1. Now let's learn some definition. First definition, empty set. A set which does not contain any element is called empty set. It is also called as a null set or void set. Empty set is denoted by phi, that is a Greek letter we are going to call, or the curly bracket, but which does not contain any element. For example, A is a set of all x such that x is greater than 1 but less than 2, and condition is there x is a natural number. There is no natural number which is greater than 1 but less than 2. That's why this set is a phi set. So we will call A is equal to phi. Second, finite sets. A set which is empty or consists of definite number of elements is called finite set. For example, W is the set of days of a week, and the day which start from W is nothing but a Wednesday. That's why W is a finite set. Third, infinite set. A set which consists of indefinite number of elements is called infinite set. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot. That is, lastly the end of the number is not there. That's why it is a infinite set, and this is a set of a natural numbers. Equal sets. Two sets A and B are said to be equal set if every element of a is also an element of a B, and if every element of a B is also the element of a. For example, A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, and B is also having a set of 3, 1, 4, 2. The order, it doesn't matter. That's why we will say set A is equal to set B. Let's start exercise 1.2. First problem, which of the following are the example of a null set? First is set of odd natural number divisible by 2. We know very well odd number cannot be divisible by 2. That's why it is a null set. Second, set of even prime number. We are having a even prime number is a 2. And this 2 is not of empty. Therefore, it is not a null set. Third is a set of x such that x is a natural number, but x is less than 5 and x is greater than 7. There is a no natural number which is less than 5 but greater than 7. That's why it is a null set. Fourth is y such that y is a point common to any two parallel lines. Everyone knows very well these are the two parallel lines. There is a no common, there is no intersection. That's why there is no common point. That's why it can form a null set. Second problem, which of the following sets are finite or infinite? First problem, the set of a months of the year. Months of the year, in a year there are 12 months. That's why the January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Means it is a, we can count it. That's why, and it is start with January and end with the December. That's why it is a finite set. In the second problem, the set contains 1, 2, 3 to last number we don't know. That's why it is a infinite set. In the third, 1, 2, 3 dot dot dot, last number is 900. That's why it is a finite set. Fourth is set of a positive integers greater than 100. Which are the numbers greater than 100? And that is a positive integer, 101, 102, 103, but the end we don't know, it is infinite. That's why it is a infinite set. Fifth is set of a prime number less than 99. We can count because the prime numbers start with 2. Smallest prime number is a 2. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 2. These are the prime numbers, and less than 99 is the last number is 97. That's why it is a finite set. Third problem, state whether each of the following sets is a finite or infinite. First problem, the set of lines parallel to the x-axis. Now this is the x-axis, this is a y-axis, and we can draw a many lines. Okay, we can't count, that is parallel to x-axis, that's why it is form a infinite set. Second, the set of letters in the English alphabets. So we are having the letters in English alphabet start with the A, B, C, D and end with the Z, that's why it is a finite set. Third is set of a number which are multiple of 5. Multiple of 5 are the 5, 10, 15, 20 and so on. Last number we can't tell, that's why it is a infinite set. Fourth is set of the animals living on the earth. We can't count, so it is a infinite set. Set of the circle passing through the origin 0, 0. It is also a infinite set because circles we can draw a different radii. That's why it can we can draw the infinite circle. That's why infinite set here it is going to form. Fourth problem, in the following state whether A is equal to B or not, we have to check. In the first problem, set A contains the elements A, B, C, D and B contains D, C, B, A. That the sequence is different but the elements are same in both A and B. That's why A is equal to B. Second problem, A is equal to 4, 8, 12, 16. These are the elements of a set A. B is having 8, 4, 16 and 18. Here in these 18 element is there, but here it is not of 18. And here as 4, 8, okay, it is there. And here 16, 16, here 12 is there, here 12 is not there. That's why A is not equal to B. Third, A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This set is also we can call as a roster form. And set B they had given in a set builder form. So first of all we have to convert this set builder form into a roster form. Then only we can tell whether A is equal to B or not. So what they had given, B is equal to the set of all x such that x is a positive even integer, but x is less or equal to 10. Less or equal to 10 means last number we will get 10 also because equal is also there. So B is equal to 2 because positive even integer. 4, 6, 8, 10. So whether A is equal to B we got? Yes, A is equal to B. Fourth is A is a set of x such that x is a multiple of 10. And this set A is given in a set builder form. That's why we have to convert into roster form. So set A we will get 10, 20, 30 because multiple of 10 are this last dot dot dot. And B they had given 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So all the elements of a is not all the elements of a B are not present in a. That's why set A is not equal to B. Fifth question, are the following pair of the sets equal? Give the reason. Again in the first problem they had given set A contains the element 2, 3. But set B is given in a set builder form. That is the set of x such that x is a solution of the quadratic equation x square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. First of all we have to find the solution of this quadratic equation. X square plus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. We got here the two factor x plus 2, x plus 3 which is equal to 0. So from here we will get x is equal to minus 2 and x is equal to minus 3. So what is set B is converted into a roster form minus 2 minus 3. But set A given 2, 3. That's why both sets are not equal. In the second problem, A is equal to x such that x is a letter in the word follow. And B is a set of all the elements of a y. Y is a letter in the word wolf. So this is both are the set builder form. We have to convert into a roster form. A is equal to F. Letter we will take F, O, L, W, which are the repeated one that we will write only one time. That's why O or L one time. In the B set, wolf is there. Wolf is made with the alphabet, that is WOLF. That's why set A and B are the equal sets. Question number 5. From the sets given below, select equal sets. They had given many sets like A is a set of 2, 4, 8, 12. Then B is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4. C 4, 8, 12, 14. D 3, 1, 4, 2. E minus 1, 1. F 0, A. G 1, minus 1. And H is a 0, 1. They had asked in this problem that which of the following are the equal sets. B, in the B 1, 2, 3, 4, and in the D also 3, 1, 4, 2. Okay, that is sequence is different, but the elements of both the sets are equal. That's why B is equal to D. And again E and G. Here in the E minus 1, 1 is there, and G 1 minus 1 is there. That's why E and G are the equal sets. Jai Gurudev.